Morning, everybody. I'm in Giles County, Virginia. This is Bald Knob I'm standing at. It's the highest point in the Allegheny Mountains, but it's not the highest point in Virginia. That would be Mount Rogers down in Smith County. The clouds are pretty low, so you don't get as good of views this morning. Let me walk around a little bit. This is one of the best views in the area, especially for watching a sunset. But with the low clouds here, the views aren't as good as normal, but the clouds are kind of cool. Well, I'll talk to y'all later.